Hey cruisers, many of you probably already know this, but I'm going to give you a quick hack on how to increase the water pressure on your Disney cruise line. So currently I'm on the Disney Treasure and I want to start with this little pop-up. Now, most Disney cruise lines use the exact same pop-up and you can find them at any hardware store, but it's really simple. All you got to do is push down and it pops right up. So the reason we take this out is because as we increase water pressure, the water comes out faster and it doesn't drain as well. So I take it out, it helps increase it. Plus, you're not stepping on it every, 10 seconds when you're walking around. So now that we pulled that piece out, we can set that aside. I just put it on top of the faucet area and we'll move on to the next thing. So one of the issues that you might run into is the cord. There's a little clear plastic bit on the cord. It's really easy to take off. All you have to do is right here where see right there, the plastic piece, where the handle is, where I'm holding it, that little knob, it unscrews. Just unscrew it and feed it through that plastic bit, and you get so much more freedom and space for using the handle. This is just a very generic shower head wand, but you can get the idea of what I'm talking about. It's this piece here. It unscrews. Really simple. Doesn't take any tools. Just unscrew it, pull it through the little plastic hoop, and then push it back through. Really simple. And, I think it's worth it, especially for my wife. But to each their own. Okay, now we're going to get to the meat and potatoes of this whole experience. So you can see here I opened the faucet, just normally opened it. Very poor water flow. That little button on the top, yeah, that one. Press it, turn it some more. And now you've just increased the water pressure, probably about double. And it's going to feel so much nicer, so much better. And trust me, when you're hosing off after a long day in the sun, you're going to want that extra water pressure. It's seriously going to be a lifesaver for you. These are pretty standard on most cruises, but experiment on your own. Also, before you come at me, this is the diagram from the manufacturer's website. As you can see, it's designed to have two modes, standard mode and a high pressure mode. Shows right there in the diagram. You press the button, it increases the pressure. So just in case you wanted to come at me, it's designed to do that. I'm not hacking anything. I'm not breaking anything. I'm not doing anything that's designed outside the scope of the manufacturer specifications. Also, for you guys who think you might be Fix It Felix, you might see a little strainer or a piece of mesh inside the wand. Don't remove it. It does not improve your water pressure. All you're doing is removing a piece of straining relief that is designed by the manufacturer to be used in the wand. It does not help. It does not increase water pressure. And all you're going to do is break somebody else's property. Do not break Disney or other cruise lines property. Do not remove or tamper or damage anything internal to these structures. Other than that, guys, enjoy your cruise and happy cruising.